Hey guys, it's Cena, and I am here to do the random name picker for the 200 subscribers on my channel. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for all your love and support. You guys rock, man. I can't get too excited because I am losing my voice. My throat is so sore, and I have had the worst sinus headache and everything since yesterday. And I did my hashtag no excuse video this morning, but after that, it has just been really rough. It's been getting really bad. So I'm going to knock out my last 2,000 steps that I do have to do, and then I'm going to lay it down because, yeah, I don't want this triggering anything else, because with lupus, if you have an infection somewhere in your body, it can trigger all kinds of things. So we're not going to hope for that. I'm not claiming that, so we're going to just stay healthy. That's what I'm claiming. So I'm going to let you guys see that all your names are in here. Oop, I'm probably going way too fast. There was a lot of names, so I appreciate you all, like I said. So I guess I just have to pick a name. And, okay, what happened? Vanessa Burton. You are getting, I have to go back to my comments now. Vanessa Burton, let's find you real quick. You will be getting an email from me, and I thank you because you're always so supportive too. Let's see, Vanessa Burton, there you are. Let's see, you picked Walmart, so I'll be sending you a Walmart gift certificate for $25. So thank you so much, you guys. Love you guys. June 5th, I try to go as hard as I can. Hashtag no excuse. So this is a perfect day for me to do that. Even though I wasn't feeling good, I still did it. And I will see you all tomorrow. And yeah, keep the videos coming, guys. Love you guys.